Sarah Ferguson is devastated and regrouping with Princess Beatrice and Princess Eugenie as Prince Andrew faces the prospect of a court showdown, it has been claimed. A U.S. judge on Wednesday dismissed a bid by the Duke of York to have Virginia Giuffre's civil sex case thrown out. And in a further blow to Andrew, the Queen today stripped him of his honorary military titles and royal patronages, while a royal source said he will stop using his HRH style. His ex-wife the Duchess of York is said to be devastated by the development that the lawsuit can go to trial. A source told OK! Magazine, Fergie is devastated. She's a very positive person and she always sees the sunny side up in life, but this has been a blow. They really did believe he would be able to just walk away from this. They thought the Newsnight interview would help him, but it did the exact opposite. And nobody is above the law. The family are regrouping and discussing what to do going forward. Andrew has previously denied the allegations aiming toward him. A source close to the Duke said he would continue to defend himself against Miss Giuffre's allegations following Judge Louisa Kaplan's decision to dismiss his legal team's attempt to have the case thrown out. The source said, "Given the robustness with which Judge Kaplan greeted our arguments, we are unsurprised by the ruling. However, it was not a judgment on the merits of Miss Giuffre's allegations. This is a marathon, not a sprint, and the Duke will continue to defend himself against these claims." The Queen's second son could pursue an out-of-court, and potentially multi-million-pound, settlement. But there have been suggestions Miss Giuffre may not be prepared to accept a deal. Andrew could ignore the case, meaning by default there would be a finding against him, or he could fight it out, meaning he would have to give a deposition under oath and the sexual assault allegations would be explored in open court. Andrew and his ex-wife had agreed with Reuver that Chalet Halloir in the ski resort of Fergie in the Swiss Alps would be paid for in installments. But Reuver claimed the two failed to make the final £5 million installment. Initially Reuver agreed the final installment could be deferred until December 2019, with interest accruing, but the Yorks still did not honor the agreement despite repeated demands, it was reported. Reuver launched legal action in May 2020 in Switzerland to recoup the £5 million plus interest owed to her. Andrew is said to have finally paid late last year. Speaking to Mail Online, Reuver said she had sold the house to the Yorks about 2 months ago. Until the debt was settled, Andrew was unable to sell it. It is understood a buyer has been found and the sale is proceeding, but not yet completed. Andrew is awaiting a New York judge's decision on his application to have Giuffre's lawsuit against him dismissed. Now that the debt on the $24 million ski chalet is settled, Prince Andrew, 61, may sell the property to aid in mounting legal fees. On Wednesday, a judge rejected Prince Andrew's attempt to have a sexual assault lawsuit against him thrown out, meaning Queen Elizabeth's son could face a trial date between September and December 2022, according to CNN. Prince Andrew's attorneys argued last week to dismiss Virginia Giuffre's civil sexual assault lawsuit after it was revealed that convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein reached a $500,000 settlement with Giuffre, in which she agreed not to sue any other potential defendant. In the 2009 document, which does not name Prince Andrew, Giuffre agreed to release, acquit, satisfy and forever discharge Epstein and any other person or entity who could have been included as a potential defendant.